Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial we are looking at the completing of squares. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So now let's Hello guys, last time we were looking at the quadratic equation using factorization, and today's topic is the completing of squares in a quadratic equation, which is the method that is used for converting a quadratic expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c to the vertex form, which is a open brackets x minus h close power 2 plus k. So let's try to work out with this example, which is an example 1. Example 1, which is 1 x power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. Then here the most common important thing you have to look to see if there is a number at the first. The coefficient of a, it's x squared, so let's try to divide throughout by a, as you can see. So a there it goes, then we remain with the x squared plus the bx over a plus c over a equals 0. So now it's the x squared plus the bx over a plus c over a minus c over a. We are going to subtract both sides by c over a. Then there it goes. We remain with the x squared plus bx over a equals minus c over a. Then here, this is step 2. Then we are going to look for half of bx over a. So let's try to find here half of b over a. So when we multiply 1 times b, which is b, 2 times the a, which is 2a, you can see. So this answer we are going to square it. So let's now x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a in the bracket squared equals minus c over a plus, we are going to add both sides b over 2a squared to the left and right hand side. So now let's remember the equation which was given in the first statement. It was a open bracket x minus h squared plus k, where k is a constant. So let's try to write down half. We are going to remove bx over a, then let's write x plus b over 2a, because when we expand this one it will go back to x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a squared when we expand this expansion. So x plus b over 2a squared, which is equals to, we are going to start with a positive one, which is b over 2a minus c over a. So this is the formula what we are going to use when finding. So let's try to find this example example 2, which is written as example 2, which is the x squared minus 4x minus 5, which is equals to 0. So here, there's a coefficient of 1, and there it's 4, and there it's negative 5. So if there was a we are going to divide with a. Now there is 1, so we divide by 1 throughout. Then we remain with x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. So this is stage 2. Stage 2 now, x squared minus 4x. Then we are going to add both sides by 5. Then negative 5 plus 5, it will be 0. So we remain with the x squared minus 4x equals 5, as you can see. So this is stage 2. So stage 3 now, we are going to look for half of 4. So it will be half times 4. So half 2 into 4, which is 2. So this is our. Then we square it. Then it will be x squared minus 4x plus 2 power 2 equals 5 plus 2 power 2. Then we eliminate negative 4. We are going to remain with the x squared, but we maintain the sign. X minus 2 squared equals 5 plus 2 squared, which is 4. Then x minus 2 squared equals 9. Positive or negative 9. Then we provide a square root both sides. Then there square root it goes, x minus 2 equals plus or minus 3 square root of 9. Then we are going to add both sides by 2, so it will be x equals plus or minus 3 plus 2. So plus 3 plus 2, it will be 5. The other x, it will be negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1. So that's our final answer.